Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's start our video. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. The name itself says this protocol is used to securely transfer mails through internet. See, it is the protocol that defines MTA client and server in internet. See, this protocol defines first one MTA client and second one MTA server in internet. Client is nothing but person who is sending mail, and server is nothing but who provides services to this client. See, MTA stands for Mail Transfer Agent. See the structure. This is the structure of SMTP. See, there is mail server and there is another mail server. This person Aman want to send mail to person baby. See, this Aman want to send mail to baby. So what he do is, see, this mail server is connected. See, this Aman has one system. The system is connected with mail server through LAN or WAN. Similarly, baby system is connected to mail server through LAN or WAN. See, this both mail servers are connected to internet. See, this SMTP is used when sender send mail to sender's mail server and also between two mail servers. See, there are two mail servers. When these mail servers want to exchange mails, this SMTP is used. And similarly, when sender want to send mail to sender mail server, in that situation also this SMTP is used. This is a structure of SMTP. See, this SMTP uses commands and response to transfer messages between MTA client and MTA server. See, that means, see, in order to transfer messages, this SMTP, in SMTP we need to use commands. See, commands are used between, see, this MTA client and MTA server uses commands in order to transfer mails. This is the structure. See, MTA client send command to MTA server, then MTA server give response. See, this MTA stands for Mail Transfer Agent. This is the structure of SMTP client server model. See, there is client and there is server. See, first these two client and servers want to establish connection in between them, so that client send hello message, hello mail to server. Similarly, server send ready message, that server is ready message to client. In this, see, by this connection is established. Similarly, after establishing connection, we need to transfer mail. After that, client send mail to server. Similarly, server send mail, that server send OK mail to client. That means server send message that I have received mail successfully to client. See, this is known as message transfer. And third one is at last, similarly client send another mail, and similarly server give response to it by sending OK message. And at last, after sending mail, we need to close connection. So in order to close connection, client send quit message to server. This method is known as connection termination. See, this is how structure of mail is going to be. See, this person is client, xyz.com is client. Then here mail from, we need to write two mails, that is sender mail and as well as server mail. See, for example, this is client and you want to send mail to abc@gmail.com, and data is nothing but what kind of data that sender is sending. That can be either image or PDF or etc. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.